like civil proceedings.
Yes.
Mr. Gachagua had been given time to file
Yes.
all the evidence answering the 11 accusations.
Yes.
He did so in 3 pickups.
Yes.
He presented it before the Senate.
Yes.
How can you fault the Senate for its decision, yet he had put his defense?
Well, the Constitution demands, or rather the Constitution grants a right to the Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua to appear in the Senate to defend himself in the presence of his lawyers. So the only person who has that opportunity or privilege of waiving that right was Rigathi Gachagua Geoffrey, the then Deputy President. So to the extent that the senators decided that the proceedings will continue in his absence was in violation of the Constitution.
We thank everyone who has made time today to come and hear us. We thank you for giving your support towards us as we file this petition. We understand that this is a matter of national interest. My name is Hemono Diambo. I'm an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. We are very glad and blessed to have all of you here to lend your support, to come and view, to come and support our petition, and to help us as we fight for justice and for the rule of law and constitutionalism. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, members of the press. My name is Magdalene Wanjiko. I'm an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. Today we have filed a petition before the High Court at Nairobi, in which we are seeking, we are challenging the process under which the impeachment of the Deputy President, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, was conducted by the Senate yesterday. And part of what we are challenging is the manner in which the process of impeachment was done. And we are saying that the Constitution is the ground norm and it has to be respected. Anything that is done under the Constitution has to be done within the processes that have been prescribed by the Constitution. Any political interferences, political play must not be evident, because it then befits what the Constitution intended for it to happen. And we are looking forward to seeing the decision of the High Court and the orders that will be granted later today. Thank you. H.
Rigathi Gachagua Geoffrey was removed from office by way of impeachment yesterday on the 17th day of October 2024 after a vote of more than 2/3 was made by the honorable senators sitting in the Senate. Now, subsequent to that announcement, today we filed a constitutional petition in court, first challenging the process that led to the removal of His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua from office. We note too well that yesterday, when we expected the Deputy President, Rigathi Gachagua, to come and defend himself before the honorable senators, he fell ill, and this is a matter that was recorded in the Hansard and was observed as well and echoed by the Speaker of the Senate, Honorable Amason Kingi. Now, subsequent to that, we saw a postponement of the process. And when it became clearly apparent that the Rigathi Gachagua was unable to attend to the Senate sessions to defend himself, well, it was decided, and procedurally and unconstitutionally so, that the proceedings of the Senate will proceed, and regardless of the timelines that have been set in the Constitution, which, for the avoidance of doubt, required the senators to sit up to the 19th day of October to adjudicate on this issue and to decide whether there has been sufficient grounds, at least from the evidence that has been presented and the defense that would have been presented by Rigathi Gachagua, whether it is sufficient to remove him from office. We saw that the senators, the honorable senators, presided over or under the authority of the Speaker, Amason Kingi, decided in one accord that they will proceed with the proceedings. Consequently, declining to entertain an adjournment of the proceedings to a later date to allow Rigathi Gachagua, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, to have his day at the Senate to defend himself.